We're making salsa today with the cilantro from my garden. And you guys saw me plant that. And now we're eating it. Like, what? I'm a gardener. I'm a farmer since we're eating the food from my garden. I'm a farmacita.
First sandwich, let's open it and see.
Oh my goodness.
Then here's the next
Koda,
sandwich.
there's eggs for you, baby boy.
This is a mushroom.
And there's probably chicken there.
And chicken beside it. Wow.
Oh, there's a star on it. That's a cute little tattoo.
Yeah, look at the small
The
box.
cardboard box has a...
My strawberry
Oh my goodness. Wait, say it in Spanish for our Spanish viewers.
Mi postre de fresa. Brussels sprouts.
Okay, guys, these Brussels sprouts, I don't know if you saw the vlog, which you should have. I'll put it on the screen, where we go to Latitudes in Bahamas. Daddy's working on Father's Day. Pal, we can do that. We went to Latitudes in Bahamas. It's like an amazing restaurant. And the Brussels sprouts there are so, so good. And these ones I found 5 minutes away from our house are almost as good as the ones from Latitudes. So, that's incredible. Oh, here's a scallion bun. Is that what it says?
Yeah,
scallion
bun.
We got two. I actually filmed Mother's Day. We made a, what's that thing called? With the fruits on the wood. Charcuterie board. We made a charcuterie board. I'll insert a little bit. What's this one? Okay, so we have pizza. We got plates. Toothpicks. Guacamole.
Yeah, that's making it.
Happy Mother's
Honey, some pecans, some toasted bread, and guacamole.
This is Mommy's plate. Because every day is Mother's Day. So this is Daddy's. Happy Father's Day, Father. Let me give you a little update with my garden project. Look at this. So this is the apple tree, and it grows really low. So that's why I kept hitting my head. So these is all trimmed up. We have to put it in a big pile. This is what I did. I cleaned up all of this. And there was never grass here because this is our swing, right? This is what the landscapers did. Made it nice and pretty. And then this is what I'm working on. Like, notice some like started growing back. Like that one. That's just how it's gonna be. I know it looks messy, but it looks really, really good. And I'm gonna continue cleaning because I'm so excited. This is like awesome. And remember that tree that was growing out? It was also trimmed. So Kylie had to drive her Porsche.
I saw it.
Did you see that?
Yeah, you showed me. Remember, she was so scared.
She was so scared.
Messed
And
up
she was
our-
like, Kylie, like if you break my car, you're buying me a new one. Just watering my flowers. And I'm so excited. So we're making salsa with my cilantro. It's gonna be so nice. So for now, I'm gonna go water the back. And then I'm gonna do some gardening maybe. Should I? I need to get changed. Okay, hey guys. I just got changed. So we're gonna garden now. I need to water this whole area. Come here. Come. So we're gonna garden a little bit with my dad because it's Father's Day, you know? Like, I invited him to go clubbing with me because I thought that'd be fun because he's always talking about what life was like when he used to go out and how it's like different. He said no. So I'm gonna go get the hose and we're gonna garden. You guys watch Coda for me. Where is he? He's right here. I'll be right back. Where's the hose? I think that's enough. This hat, I got it made from this like crocheter on Depop, and I was like, can you make one with like ocean colors? And so she was like, bet. This is Zara. I got it at a photo shoot. Garage. You wanna know a secret? I gained pounds. What? Don't tell Europe. Anyway, and then I have Crocs. And then I lost most of my little giblets, but like I've Shrek. This is my little Krispy Kreme donut. Boring. Enough chatting. Let's go garden. I brought my iPad so I can like watch TV. Okay, I'm gonna do a time lapse because there's like copyright music playing. Okay. Okay, so I'm planting this, that, this, and that, and that, and that. I'm kind of like low-key, I'm tired. I didn't even go out last night, I'm just tired. I'm gonna water the ones I just planted and then we'll keep planting. Oh, guys, I almost watered my iPad. I wonder what's the official gardening shoe, because it can't be Crocs. There's
Definitely
like
not.
dirt in my
You
toes.
should go change it. The doors are open.
Well, I don't have any old ugly shoes to
Just wear any sneakers.
Oh, me and my one glove. So I planted this cutie, that cutie, that cutie, that cutie, that cutie. Yeah. Cute. I'm gonna plant these two now. I don't know if you see it. Wait. So hopefully the weeds stop spreading. I like thought that no one would watch my gardening vlog because like most people don't care about gardening. But a lot of people watched it. Well, hopefully you like it because that's what you're getting all summer. Okay, where's this from? Okay, I can do it. Okay, no I can't. Where's that from, huh? Okay, I can do it. Okay, no I can't.
Okay, I can do it. Okay, no, I can't.
Parent trap! And I love when everyone's outside. It's just so cute. Like, we're so cute. They're washing their car. They're washing the inside of their car. I'm gardening. They're gardening. Like, this is so cute. I'm gonna do a time lapse while I garden this next one. Alrighty, we are finished in the front for today. Honestly, the only part about gardening that I hate is putting all of this garbage in the garbage. So I'm not gonna do it. Okay.
This guy washed it, not this one.
Oh my goodness, guys. I'm just kidding. This came from the grocery store.